This video will be building a responsive navbar. So this is what I mean by being responsive. If you resize the screen to a mobile screen or a mobile size, it's going to instead of displaying the nav, it's going to display an icon here. So once you click the icon, then the nav bar is going to drop down, and the navigation bar is going to change. It's going to change to this close button. So once you click the close button again, the navigation bar is gone, and then the bar is here again. So without wasting time, let's get started. So if you are new here, you can subscribe to our channel, and if you like the video, you can smash the like button. I'm sure to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be reminded whenever we post new videos. Alright, so this is the HTML for the code. As you can see, I've created a nav tag. So within it, I've given it some class of display flex, which is from Bootstrap, and BG white for the white background, and a base color class which I've styled in the custom CSS, JCA for justify content around, AIC for align item center. I've styled those in the custom styling, and I've given it the padding of 3, which will start from medium screen. So the logo, I've styled the logo in the CSS. I'll show you later. And here I have, I displayed the nav element flex, which means I displayed whatever that is inside the nav element flex. So we are having two items here, which is the logo and the nav items. Alright, so that's why we're having the logo on the left and the items on the right. So in the items, we're having the logo, the icon here, but the icon won't be displayed starting from the medium size of the screen, that is from the tablet upward. It won't be displayed. Alright, so it's only the navbar that will be displayed, and the navbar will only be displayed flex as at medium screen. So as at screen lower than the medium screen, which is the mobile phone size, is going to be displayed none. Alright, so this is what I mean by that. It's going to be displayed none. As you can see, the navbar is not there. So I've did that in the CSS aspect using media query. So at maximum width of 767, that is the end point of all these styles. So I've displayed where is it? I've displayed the navbar none, and I've positioned it absolute so that to style it a little bit, and I've changed the justify content from being space around to space between in the smaller screen, and I've adjusted the paddings. Alright, so and here jumping into the navbar items, I've displayed them to flex and giving it a margin top starting from the medium screen of 3, so that it will move 3 it will move 3, I don't know if it is 3 rem away from the top at the medium screen upward. So I've given those list items margin right of 4 starting from the medium screen again, and I've did the same thing here, and I've added some buttons. So these buttons, I've styled it in the custom CSS to change the colors. Alright, so this on click event that you're seeing here, as you can see, they are both firing the same event once, the same function once they are clicked, but they are passing different parameters. So that is where the responsiveness comes in. When this button is clicked, it draws down uh, the the um the menu. So this is how I did that. I gave these two elements the same function to reduce our script, so but they are passing different functions, different parameters. So if it is the bar that is being clicked, the close icon is displayed none at default. So the first thing we can click on is the menu bar. So once we click on the menu bar, we are sending a parameter of block. So if the parameter we are sending is block, it's going to disable the menu bar and it's going to enable the close button, which means we are sending in block as the parameter. So it's going to change the display of this close button, which we have selected here with document.query selector. So it's going to set the display property to block, which means it's going to show the close button, and it's going to disable the menu bar, and lastly it's going to display the UL, the nav bar is going to display block. But if once the bar button is clicked, it's going to disable the bar and it's going to enable the close button. So this is what I mean. So now the close button is here. So and if you recall, in the HTML we have given the close button is going to be passing a parameter of none, which means when we click it, it's going to set the display property of the close icon to none, which means the close icon is going to be none. And here from the if statement, if the action is blocked, it's going to display this to none, which is the menu bar. But if it is not blocked, that is the none that we are sending in now, is going to display the menu bar block. Alright, so I did this to reduce our script. So, and it's going to display the nav bar also none. So let's see that. Alright, so as you can see, once we click on the bar, it's going to display the UL, and once we click on the close button, it's going to disable everything. So that is it for this video, guys. If you find the video helpful, smash the like button, and if you are new here, subscribe to the channel. And as you can see, I just started this YouTube thing, and I haven't have enough equipment, and as you can see, the audio and the video part are still not that okay, but bear with me. Maybe the future I will have upgrade. Alright, so thanks for watching and see you next time.